The wedding niche is such a lucrative niche on Etsy, and with weddings comes the bridesmaid proposal boxes. And you can't have a bridesmaid proposal box without a compact mirror. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can personalize compact mirrors just like this one, and I'm going to be using my Cricut machine for this project. So let's step into the video and I'll show you how you can personalize a compact mirror or handbag mirror that the bridesmaids can use throughout the day. Let's go. So first of all, we'll do our product research just to show you how I came up with compact mirrors as a possible gift for bridesmaid and also to sell on Etsy. I'm using Etsyshop.ai, which is an SEO product research tool, and I love it because right there in the dashboard you can see the top 5 products that are trending on Etsy in the last week, and when you click on more you can see even more products that have been selling really well on Etsy in the last week. And it was while I was scrolling through the dashboard that I came across these personalized compact mirrors, also described as a gift for bridesmaids. And you know, these days the birth flower is a trending niche, and here you can see this shop has made over $5,000, yet they've only been open for less than a month. And you can also see here, to look at demand, you can see 53 people bought this in the last 24 hours, and it's such a unique gift because you can personalize it as you wish. So you can personalize the front and the back, and it's also available in a range of colors, and you can add a birth flower to it or just the name. So it's a really good gift if you're talking about personalization. And also here we can still see it's been open just since March is when this listing was put up. So when we scroll further down looking at this product, we can see the tags that have been used, and we can use some of those low competition tags like birth flower gift or compact mirror, makeup mirror, personalized mirror in our description when we put this product up on Etsy. So I'm going to be showing you how I made this compact mirror using my Cricut machine. So as you know, I love my Cricut for personalization. So as I said earlier, you can use these compact mirrors as a little addition to your bridesmaids boxes. And what I love about this, if you're selling it, it means you can sell multiple of this product at any one time, because you always have more than 2-3 bridesmaids. And where can you buy a blank compact mirror? Right there on Temu, you can see there's quite a big range of these compact mirrors. Also on Amazon, you can get some, and also on Shein. So there's quite a few places where you can get the blank compact mirror for personalization. And now I'll just show you how I would personalize this on my Cricut machine. So here I'm just loading up the Cricut machine, and now we'll just get ready to start personalizing this. So for this project, we'll need the compact mirror, and we'll need some disinfectant wipes just to clean the surface of the mirror to remove any dust. We'll need our scraping tool. We'll need our weeding tool. We'll need obviously our decal that we've made from our Cricut machine. We'll need a pair of scissors in case something needs to be cut, and our transfer tape as usual for permanent adhesive vinyl. So I'm starting off there by cleaning the surface of the compact mirror, and then I'm just going to be weeding off the excess vinyl to leave just the design or just the name. And there we go, all done. So now we'll get ready to transfer that name onto the compact mirror, and that's all we need to do. So I'll just let you watch as I finish doing this, the final stages of this project. It's a really simple project to do, even as a Cricut beginner, because all you're doing is the name, and here I'm using a font from Cricut Design Space. I believe it's the Annie font. I'll put the name in the description for you. And really, that's all you need to do. And I'm sure even if you were selling 10 or even 20 of these, you could do that in a couple of hours. So this is a really easy gift idea, a really easy product that you could sell on Etsy or on your online shop, and I hope that you give it a try. So thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my other videos where I take you through simple, easy crafts that you can make and sell. Thanks for listening.